Hi guys, I'm Phil Mackenzie from the Lean Squad, and this is Will Cliff, professional rugby player from Sale Sharks. He's played in the Premiership for, oh, he's old now, so over 10 years, and we're gonna do a quick 5-minute partner ab finisher here. So it's super easy, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds rest, and we swap over exercise, get the abs working, and the core burning before summertime. We're gonna start, the first one is little plank taps. So you're just gonna tap each other's hand, a little bit of resistance, and keep alternating for the 20 seconds. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. So we're in the plank position, and then me and Clippy are just high-fiving because we're getting nice and lean. Little pressure in the middle against each other. If you struggle with this, you want to widen your base. 5 seconds. 2, 1. All right, now we go into side plank. So the same thing, we're just gonna be on our side. We're gonna meet in the middle. Don't be too far away, get nice and close. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And we little pressure. Keep the hips nice and high. 15 seconds. So this works your arms and your core at the same time. 8 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. And then just to switch over. So Cliffy, as a professional rugby player, he's got a nice strong core. 3, 2, 1, which is important for all things lean. Use your core and everything. There we go, nice. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Now Cliffy's gonna lie on the ground, and these are leg slams, so the partner gets a bit of a break, and you want to try and control it. Your feet on the way down. 3, 2, 1. There we go. So Cliffy doesn't want his feet to hit the ground, and I'm throwing them down. He's resisting. His hands are on my legs. Oh, my heart rate's high. His is probably higher. 10 seconds to go. Nice, Cliffy. 3, 2, 1. Then we swap over. Cliffy goes back, and then I go. 3, 2, 1. So you want to get the reps in, really stay controlled. These movements are really good because they literally work your whole core. 2, 1. There we go. And then we're back into the handshakes. All right, so we're just repeating now. That's 2.5 minutes. 3, 2, 1. So remember, a little pressure. Try and keep those hips square. 10 seconds. This is where it gets pretty tough. 3, 2, 1. Oh. And on the side plank. Whew. 5 seconds. Big deep breath. 3, 2, 1. Meet in the middle. Little pressure. A little extra pressure in the middle makes it just a little bit harder. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there we go. 8 seconds to go. Nearly at the finish line. 3, 2, 1. Up nice and high. I can't see the timer. We're freestyling. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Cliffy's on his back. Oh, that's perfect timing. Here we go. This is Cliffy's last round. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. So this is the last one. You can really push it. If you want to make it harder, you really throw the legs. The partner just resists. 8 seconds. Keep going, keep going. 3, 2, last one. There we go. My turn, last one. This is 5 minutes, your job is done. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Remember to breathe on these. 2, 1, boom. Whew. And that is your partner abs. You give a nice big lean high five to your buddy. And that's 5 minutes. Throw it at the end of your workout. If you want more information on your own custom workouts and custom meal plan, visit www.lean-squad.com and get lean this summer.